Today we're going to be 3D modelling and 3D printing a lure, then heading out on Sydney Harbour to catch flathead. The lure I want to make is 100mm, roughly 15 grams, and will slow sink, which is perfect when you're land based in Sydney, most areas being, between 3 and 4 metres deep right off the shore. We'll start opening Blender and 3D modelling up our shape. I use this program just because I'm familiar with it from other stuff I've done in the past. Once we've done that, we move to the Bamboo Lab Studio, which is a slicer to turn that file into something that the 3D printer can interpret. Once we've done that, we've got a pretty short print time of about 45 minutes, after which we have a finished lure. From here, we need to put a through wire in it, add the lead weights, which we glue in, and then do any finishing that we want. I go through coats of polyester before painting and sanding, and eventually gluing stuff on, like eyes and gills. After that, you're ready to go. Just got to add hooks. Anyway, I'll see you out on the water. 3D printed, 13 grams, slow sinking stick bait, target species flathead. Got the 8-pound gear, Yamaga blanks, and we're just going to hit some middle harbour flats. Half a foot of water, probably not quite enough water, but a showbiz, baby. Weed bed out there, obviously, which is what this is from. Score. That's right, free lure. Oh yeah, that's a Z-Man. It's been chewed up a bit. Bitten off? No. Busted off. Brilliant. How good that? Free lure. Oh, still sharp. Someone lost that recently. Okay, we'll keep going. Move around the corner. It's close to low tide. You can just walk around. That's why I got it tied to you, so you don't lose it. I've lost too many of these nets, and they're so good. Keep getting them again. Just waste some money. Oh, there's like a nice little gap just here. Good. Oh my God. What a disaster. I'm gonna need to walk out. Tail, hey? Trick. Disaster. Oh my God. Great fish. Oh my God. Can't believe you got that. That's an absolute ringer of a height. Put that back in the water for a second. That's a really big tailor. We're just gonna unhook this guy. Quite a big tailor on the homemade lure. Oh, come on. These hooks are really sharp. Actually got them from Coastal. The double done. Man, that's a good chomper. That's sick. Alright, so nice big tailor on this homemade lure. 3D printed myself. 13 grams, 100mm, through wire, and nice stuff on the back. We'll just go release this guy now. He'll probably need a bit of a revive because I was quite the mess around, but should be fine. Tailor surprisingly resilient. I don't really like eating them either. They're nice, but not for me. Okay, wrong way, buddy. You like that lure so much, trying to find it. Okay, cool. Well, that's a fish on the board. Let me know what you think of those lures. Gross. Dead rat in the crab pot. Brilliant. Hopefully that's not what they're after. I will find you one day, tweed bait man. Okay, mid-session. The area looks kind of busy. I'll go over and check out this other flat and see if there isn't some stonker of a fish just hanging out. Normally you find a patch of flatties by now because I've worked quite a big bay that looked promising. But yeah, all right, we're gonna move on. Next bay actually. I've decided to change of plans. There's a lot of squid. Oh, come on. Wow. Get that back if I am clever enough. We got as much line back as we could, which is good. Sad about the lure, but benefit of 3D printing. We've got 5 of them sitting at home, ready to be finished. So we'll just retie and then we'll chuck something else on. This squid has got, can we snag 2? I don't know. Or is it trying to save it? What I should do. Okay. It looks distracted. Yes! Squid master! Get this guy off and then we'll... Okay, off you go. I think he's got some air in his head. Okay, let's go. Get down on the flat. Okay, nearly tripped. Not that flexible at the moment with a torn hamstring. I see some really nice golf ball. Cool. Man, I'm getting heaps of cool stuff. It's pretty good. Flatty, nice one as well. Come on, barely hooked. Oh, now. So we've been kind of working away for a couple of hours at the moment with our homemade lures, and we've finally managed to get a really nice flatty on this slow sinking stick bait. It's probably about a 50 centimetre model. We moved around heaps. We got a nice tailor on the lures, but this is really what I was expecting to get with this thing slow sinking. at 90 mil. Do a nice hold out. And we'll get it back. Okay. On. Struggle. I think he'll be happy just here. Man, he hit pretty hard. Great. Awesome. Always good when you persist with something and it pays off. Quite often you persist and it doesn't. That's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments. If you're not subscribed already, do so. There are almost no benefits to you, but it does reassure me that my efforts are worthwhile. In the coming videos, I'll post something where I went on a charter and exclusively used these 100mm lures, and they got absolutely destroyed, so you'll be able to see how this hook got bent out. So hit the notification bell, and in a few weeks that'll be out. I hope you enjoyed, and best of luck with your future endeavours. Best of the luck. What's wrong with me?